Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Helps get rid of a cough, and that's why you need to eat horseradish. We often refuse to consume horseradish because of its sharp and not quite pleasant aftertaste. However, despite this, we even do not know how useful it is, and how it affects our health. So today we will tell you what the common fuck can handle. 1. Will help get rid of the importunate cough. As experts brought, horseradish cleanses and improves the respiratory system, thereby influencing the process of a speedy recovery. 2. Helps improve appetite. Horseradish has the ability to increase the secretion of gastric juice, which affects the improvement of appetite. 3. Promotes memory improvement, contains a lot of vitamin B, which improves the brain's robot, helps to avoid stress, and most importantly improves memory. Listen to our advice and then you will be healthy and truly happy. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.